Hello again, this is Matthew Miller from the ZDNet Smartphones and Cell Phones blog. Now earlier I had talked about my myTouch 4G that I'd bought last week, and then I was pleased enough to find out that Evernote was launching a new version, Evernote 2.0 for Android platform, and this is a fantastic upgrade. Now as you can see on my device here, get a little closer, this is the new widget for Evernote. As you can see there, there's search, there's a microphone for audio note, there's a camera and text note, and then just Evernote, right? So if I just tap the Evernote, and as what you'll see, some of the things that you'll see here, we have we see a newer, more intuitive interface, a cleaner home screen, and a new search interface, new views with new options, simpler sorting and browsing, very, very much faster, and I can attest to it after using it today. It is a lot faster. Improved browsing, viewing, and search, offline note storage, yay! Background syncing, and premium users can specify notebooks to be saved for offline viewing. And I've been a premium user since day one, and I'm very pleased with this application and the new changes here. So here we have a snapshot, all notes, tags, search, and notebooks, right? So if we want a new note, we tap on this, and then we start right there. So there's a title that we can enter and the note content. We can tap on this, select what notebook it's going to be part of, right? We can tag it. You can add attachments to it, right? Pictures, audio, video, or files, because this is an Android platform and you do get file access. Or you can take a picture or, right there, add an audio note. And I just did add audio note. Unintended, of course. Discard that. I do not want that. So then you can see there's the note, there's a quick snapshot note. Now what's nice is we say we tap on notebooks, bam. Now this is a view similar to what I've seen on the iPad, right? They give us kind of a thumbnail, they tell us how many notes are in those particular folders and things. We can come up here, we can go all notes, tags, notebooks. We can add another note right from there, right? So they give you the ability to add notes from multiple places. If we tap all notes, it's going to go through and list all the notes that I have. And as you can see today, I took some sermon notes, right? So bam, tapped on it, there it is right there. So here's the sermon notes I took today. This is in the viewable. If I tap on the menu button, I now have the option to edit, delete, email that note, create a shortcut, note info and tag. Create a shortcut. Well, what does that mean? Actually, let me go back to a home screen with room just to make sure. And back into Evernote. So say we're here and I have this note that I open up, I want to edit it a lot. I can just say create a shortcut. There. Now if I jump back out here, you see there's actually a shortcut on my home screen. Tap on it, opens right back up into the note, right into Evernote. So that's a handy option to have. We can say edit, jump into the editing screen. Now here's the edits, you know, the typical enter your note. And then of course up top the same things that I said, you can add attachments to it and everything else. Also works, of course, portrait and landscape. As you can see, when you do go landscape, you do lose the top items there, if you're in editing mode, that is. I'll go ahead and save that, uploading the note. There it is, get my note uploaded. Now display options. You can see detail list, thumbnail view, date updated. There it goes. You can see that all notes with a thumbnail view, which is kind of a nice handy view to see sometimes. There's also some settings in here. You can select your offline notebooks. I have to go check some of those. It says if you're premium or not, upload notifications, Evernote version, Wi-Fi sync only. You can manage how it syncs your notes up. Use GPS or the network that you want to use with it. And then of course there's a sign out or sync of manually options. So that's a quick look at the new Evernote. It actually is quite nice. Evernote is one of those applications that keeps me using devices, right? So Evernote on an Android platform is key to me, and I'm pretty pleased to have the home screen widget up there now. So that's a quick look at Evernote 2.0 for Android platform. Thanks for watching.